What's up, guys? This is Handscreen back with you today. Today we are going to be doing something a little different. As you can see, it is ketchup, and we have some baking soda here. Hope that didn't just shake it up. Have some baking soda. We're going to see if this actually works. And I barely even shook it, and it's getting pretty hard right now. Alright, so let's see this. I might want to get it with my good. It's getting really hard, guys. That's me trying to squeeze it. Alright. It's not wanting to pop off the lid. So I think I'm going to do it myself. And sorry, guys. I'm a little freezing. It's 27 degrees right now. Alright. I'm going to pop off the cap. Oh. Alright, guys. That just went all over me. Alright, guys. As you can see, it is right there. That was pretty sick. I don't know if you can see this, but it's all covered in me. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.